ॐ चैतन्यं सर्वगं सर्वं सर्वभूतगुहाशयं यत्सर्वविषयातीतं तस्मै सर्वविदे नमः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। सम्यङ्मति प्रकरणम् श्लोक नंबर 36. So Bhashyakar explained Avasthatraya Viveka, and thereafter that one Atma appears as many because of the Pratibimba. Just as Surya or Chandrama Pratibimba is there. And also it was said, even though Atma is Adrishya, but in Buddhi it expresses, and in Brahmakar Vritti that Atma becomes revealed. Just like Rahu is Adrishya but is expressed in Chandrama, or Chandrama expresses in the water in this way. So Brahma is Shastraika Desha Gamyam. Now further in 36, न केवलं शास्त्रीय बुद्धावेव चिद्धातुः परमात्मा स्फुरति किंतु लौकिकीष्वपि विषयाकार बुद्धिवृत्तिषु आत्मा स्वतो अपरोक्षः साक्षितया स्फुरति इत्याह। न केवलं शास्त्रीय बुद्धौ एव चिद्धातुः परमात्मा स्फुरति. Not only in Shastriya Buddhi means in Brahmakar Vritti Buddhi or in Dharma related Buddhi, but in Laukika Buddhi also Paramatma, which is Chid Dhatuhu. Paramatma's Visheshana means Chid Dhatu means Chaitanya Rupa. Laukikishu api Vishayakar Buddhi Vrittishu, Ghatakar Vritti, Patakar Vritti, in them also Chaitanya Abhasa will be there, Chidabhasa. Atma Swataha Aparokshaha. And then that same Atma will illumine the Laukika Jnanam as Sakshi. So two things are happening here. First, understand Vishaya. See here, Vishaya, Pramata, Sakshi. Sakshi means actually Kutastha Atma. Vishaya Prakashanam happens through Pramata. Pramata will have, let's say Vishaya is Ghata, Ghatakar Vritti will happen. So the nature of Jnanam will be Ghata Jnanam, Janami. Aham Ghatam Janami. So this Aham Pramata knows this Ghata. Sakshi will illumine Pramata, Prameya, and praman vritti, between pramata and prameya. जानामीति तमेव भान्तम अनुभात्येतत् समस्तं जगत. This is that. Janami, this jnanam is there. So Chaitanya Sakshi illumines Pramata also, Prameya also. साक्षितया स्फुरति इत्याह. चक्षुर्युक्ता धिया वृत्तिर् यातां पश्यन्न लुप्तदृक् दृष्टेर्द्रष्टा भवेदात्मा श्रुतेः श्रोता तथा भवेत्. चक्षुर्युक्ता धिया वृत्तिर् यातां पश्यन्न लुप्तदृक् दृष्टेर्द्रष्टा भवेदात्मा श्रुतेः श्रोता तथा भवेत्. चक्षुर्युक्ता धिया वृत्तिः, या धिया वृत्तिः, चक्षुः युक्ता. चक्षुर्युक्ता will be explained. ताम अलुप्तदृक् पश्यन् दृष्टेर्द्रष्टा भवेत्. अलुप्तदृक् आत्मा दृष्टेर्द्रष्टा भवेत्. श्रुतेः तथा श्रोता भवेत्. विज्ञातेः विज्ञाता भवेत्. मतेः मंता भवेत्. मतेः मता, मंता and विज्ञातेर् विज्ञाता is in the next line, next shloka. चक्षुर्युक्ता धिया वृत्तिर्या, या धिया वृत्ति, that buddhi vritti. Buddhi vritti is not chakshur-yukta, but what it means is chakshur indriya janya. So any indriya janya, it will become pramana vritti as long as it is avadhita. Tam aluptadruk atma, atma which is aluptadruk, aluptadrashta. न लुप्तदृक् इति अलुप्तदृक्. लुप्ता दृष्टिर् यस्य सः लुप्तदृक्. न लुप्तदृक् इति अलुप्तदृक्. So the one whose drishti will have lopa is called luptadruk. So you can see now Bhashyakara emphasizing so much on Brihadaranyaka mantras. All these are, next few mantras are all based on Brihadaranyaka. Earlier also I have pointed out, Bhashyakara has heavily used Brihadaranyaka in Upadesha Sahasri. Other Upanishads, they are used, but not as much as Brihadaranyaka. And the quotations are there, right there in the shlokas. Aluptadruk. Aluptadruk means na lopo vidyate. That is the Shruti. Nahi drishter द्रष्टुर्दृष्टेर विपरिलोपो विद्यते, नहीं द्रष्टुर्दृष्टेर विपरिलोपो विद्यते. एंड दृष्टेः द्रष्टा, श्रुतेः श्रोता, मतेर मंता, विज्ञातेर विज्ञाता. All these are there in Brihadaranyaka. So drishter drashta, see here, pramata has drishti, drishti is drashta, drishti ka drashta, drishter drashta, drishti is there to illumine external objects, it's drashta. So Sakshi Chaitanya will have the knowledge of the Tripudi. Shrute hai Shrota. So externally some sound is there, I hear that sound as Pramata. Then simultaneously there is a knowledge, I heard that sound. Means I am the knower of that sound. In other words, knowledge of Vishaya and knowledge of knowledge both takes place. Knowledge of Vishaya through whichever Indriya and knowledge of knowledge. So what is my sadhana? Majority of time or most of the time, I am only living at the level of Pramata. I only think I am this Pramata. And most of the time, if a person is idam focused, then they will only think of idam vastu. Not even they will come to Pramata. Beyond this Pramata is another knower, illuminator, which illumines all this. And then this Sakshi Chaitanya is not only illuminator of one Pramata, but actually is illuminator of all Pramatas. So up to this should be my spiritual unfoldment journey. So it is not in the form of how many texts I study and how many words I have memorized, how many shlokas, mantras, this, that. The emphasis is what is my understanding of myself. Do I think I am Pramata? Do I think I am Sakshi of one Pramata? Do I think I am Sakshi of all Pramatas? Or I am Deha, I am Vishaya Matra. So this journey is spiritual journey. As part of that, if I study something, etc., all of that is secondary. But this should be the result. There is another reading also, Shrutehe Shrota Tatha Shrutehe. Tatha Shrutehe means it is given in the Shruti. In this way also it is said. So Chaitanya Prakasha is there in Laukika Vishaya Vritti also, and Chaitanya illumines that Vritti. Means it expresses as Chidabhasa also, and it expresses the knowledge which has taken place through Chidabhasa. Both. Tika. चक्षुर्द्वारिका रूपाकारा या धियो वृत्तिस तां पश्यन् अवभासयन् आत्मा अलुप्त दृक् अकुंठित ज्ञान शक्तिर दृष्टेर द्रष्टा भवेत एवं उत्तरत्रापि योज्य. चक्षुर्द्वारिका, चक्षु becomes द्वार because it is pramana. चक्षुर्द्वारिका रूपाकारा या धियो वृत्ति. रूपाकारा या वृत्ति, बुद्धिवृत्ति। ताम पश्यन्, ताम पश्यन्, पश्यन् मीन्स आत्मा, आत्मा ताम पश्यन्, पश्यन् अवभासयन्, इल्यूमिनिंग इट, आत्मा अलुप्त दृक्, the one whose chaitanya lopa doesn't happen, akuंठित ज्ञान शक्ति, whose ज्ञान शक्ति, ability to illumine, is akuंठित, unobstructed, दृष्टेर द्रष्टा भवेत्, एवं उत्तरत्रापि योज्यम्। So the same thing, just as for drashter drashta, for other things also you have to apply. Kevalam manaso vrittim pashyan mantamate rajah विज्ञाता लुप्त शक्तित्वात् तथा शास्त्रं न हीत्यतः केवलां मनसो वृत्तिं पश्यन् मन्तामते रजः विज्ञाता लुप्त शक्तित्वात् तथा शास्त्रं न हीत्यतः। केवलां मनसो वृत्तिं पश्यन् अजः मतेः मन्ता भवेत्। Bhavet is there in the previous shloka. तथा अलुप्त शक्तित्वात् विज्ञाता भवेत्। बुद्धिवृत्तिं पश्यन् विज्ञातेः विज्ञाता भवेत्। Just as for manah, you apply for buddhi. बुद्धिवृत्तिं पश्यन्, instead of matehe vijñatehe, instead of manta vijñata, vijñata is already given in the next line, so you have to apply. Why alupta shaktitvat? Because its shakti lopa doesn't take place. Then tatha shastram, tatha you can use again. Shastram nahi ityatah, नहीं नहीं द्रष्टुर दृष्टेर विपरिलोपो विद्यते, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम देयर अप टू नहीं विज्ञातुर विज्ञातेर विपरिलोपो विद्यते अविनाशित्वात् न तु तद्वितीयम् अस्ति। ऑल दीस श्लोक मंत्रस, the numbers are 4, 3, 23, it starts from there up to 4, 3, 30. Alupta Shakti means this is a description for me. I am Alupta Shakti. My ability to illumine will never end. Kevalam manaso vritti means what? All vrittis are mano vritti only. So what is meant by kevala is bahya vishay is not there. चक्षुरादि द्वारा बहिः अप्रवृत्ताम अंतरेव विषयाकाराम इत्यर्थः। चक्षुरादि बहिर्गमनम of vritti is not there. Only antarik vritti means sense organs are not active, eyes are closed, and I am imagining some vishaya. So antah eva vishayakaram vritti. Ajaha, ajaha vikara rahitah. Vikara rahita, this shabda is given to separate itself from pramata. Pramata is vikari or avikari?
Vikari.
Vikari.
Pramata has vikara. Pramata means this ahankara who is transacting in the world constantly feels up and down, this, that, something or the other goes on. Whereas ajaha is vikara rahita. Ajo nitya shashvato yam purana. Vijnata alupta chichaktitvad ityartha. Vijnata is Vijnata Atma because alupta chit shakti, Chaitanya Shakti, Lopa is not there. Alupta Shaktitve Shrutim Udaharati. Now, what is the proof that it is Alupta Shakti? So, in that some Shruti Udaharana. Tatha Shastram iti. Means so is the Shruti. Tatha, so is the Shastra. Etad iti asmin arthe taha shabdas ataha. Ta means you should understand. Arthe ataha shabdas. Tasehe sarva vibhaktikatva angikarat. Nahi ityataha is given at the end. In Uttarardha Chaturdhapada. Nahi ityataha. So ataha is in the form of, in the meaning of etad. Etad iti asmin arthe ataha shabda. And this is ataha is tasil pratyaya. This tasil is sarva vibhaktikatva. Means you can apply it for any vibhakti. Tritiya, Panchami, Chaturthi, Dvitiya, Saptami, etc. Sarva vibhaktikatva. Tase hai. Nahi drashtur drashte. So there, nahi iti. Iti ataha. Ataha for this reason. So Panchami. Some people say Saptamyartha Saptamyartha iyam tasihi iti kechit. Some people say this is for Saptami vibhakti. But here it is Panchami. Because of this Shruti. What is the Shruti? Nahi drashtur drashter viparilopo vidyate avinashitvat. Natu tadvitiyam asti ato anyad vibhaktam पश्येत वदेत शृणुयात रसयेत मनवीयात मनवीत etc. Nahi vijñatur vijñater viparilopo vidyate. Now this little bit we can analyze. Even though those who are studying Brihadaranyaka or those who have covered Anubhuti Prakash, they will know. So of these three, this is the Vijnata. This is Drashta. Drashta of Drashti. Drashti is the Jnanam that Pramata gets. It's Drashta. Drashta's Drashti. Drashta's to ability to illumine Pramata is Drashti. This Atma is Drashta. One Drashti is here. Pramata knowing Vishaya. This is one Drashti. Sakshi knowing Pramata is another Drashti. Of this Drashti, this Drashta, there is no Lopa. Of this Mati, He's manta. Vignati is vignata. So vignatuhu विज्ञाते है, विज्ञाता की विज्ञान शक्ति का विपरिलोप नहीं होता. दिस विज्ञाता's ability to illumine pramata, it's constant, it never ceases. विज्ञातुहु, what is the vibhakti?
षष्ठी.
विज्ञाते है, what is the vibhakti?
So षष्ठी.
both are षष्ठी. विज्ञातुहु विज्ञाते है विपरिलोपो न विद्यते. So either you say विज्ञाता's ability to know, विज्ञाते है विज्ञाति, विज्ञाते है, the प्रातिपदिक is विज्ञाति ही, षष्ठी will become विज्ञाते है. Or you can read it this way, विज्ञातेर विज्ञातुहु विपरिलोपो न विद्यते. विज्ञातेर विज्ञातेः, so this atma is vignati. विज्ञातेः विज्ञातेः विज्ञातुः, विज्ञाति विज्ञातु, विपरिलोपो न विद्यते. So vignati, or if you just take drashti, दृष्टेर द्रष्टुः विपरिलोपो न विद्यते. द्रष्टेः द्रष्टुः. So drishti is here. विषय दृष्टि, it's drashta. द्रष्टेर द्रष्टुर विपरिलोपो न विद्यते. और द्रष्टुः द्रष्टेः, द्रष्टा's दृष्टि. In two ways, Acharyas have explained. Sureshwaracharya ji has used both in Vartik. दृष्टेर दृष्ट्यादौ, दृष्टेर द्रष्टा इत्यादौ च न दृष्टेर द्रष्टारं पश्येर, न श्रुतेः श्रोतारं शृणुया, न मतेर मंतारं मन्विथाः, न विज्ञातेर विज्ञातारं विजानीयाः. Shrunuyaha, manvithaha. What kind of roop is this? Manvithaha, vidiling, madhyam purush, ekvachana. Visargas are there in all, their lopa. Manvithaha, shrunuyaha, vijaniyaha, like pashyehe. Visarga is there in all. So this is another Brihadaranyaka Shruti. Three, 4, 2. दृष्टेर द्रष्टारं न पश्येः, न श्रुतेः श्रोतारं शृणुयाः. So what this Shruti says, Drishti is drashta. You cannot see this Atma. Shruti Shrota. You cannot hear this. You cannot think of it. You cannot know this. Na manvitaha, na vijaniyaha. What is that? Eshate Atma. That is your Atma. Ushasta. This is Ushasta Brahmana. Sarvantaraha. It is there in all. In other words, separating myself from Pramata is a great meditation. Separating myself from Pramata. I have to be so alert because generally we get carried away by whatever happens at the level of Pramata. So this itself is a sadhana. Yashatatma sarvantara iti shruti udaharya. The shruti also can be quoted here. Further, drashtrutwadi vyapadeshat vikaritva ashuddhatva prasaktim ashankya aha. If it is drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata, because it is given drashter drashtaram na pashye, shruter shrotaram na shrunuya, and earlier it was given it is drashter drashta, shrutehe shrota, mater manta, vijnater vijnata. So that which is drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata is subject to vikara, like pramata, and pramata has ashuddhi. So this Chaitanya Atma also will become Ashuddha. So drashtrutwadi vyapadeshat upadeshat vikaritva ashuddhatva prasaktim. Prasakti apatti. This apatti will come. That it has vikara, ashuddhi, etc. So another Shruti is quoted. ध्यायतीत्यविकारित्वं तथा लेलायतीत्यपि अत्रस्तेनेति शुद्धत्वं तथा नन्वागतं श्रुतेः ध्यायतीत्यविकारित्वं तथा लेलायतीत्यपि अत्रस्तेनेति शुद्धत्वं तथा नन्वागतं श्रुतेः ध्यायतीव लेलायतीव is Prasiddha Shruti. And then another Shruti is also there in the second line. So Dhyayati iti avikaritvam tatha lelayati iti api avikaritvam. Dhyayati iva lelayati iva, the Shruti says Atma is avikari. So if somebody says how it can be drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata and avikari, Shruti pramana is there. And it will become Ashuddha also. So it is said, no, this is Shuddha only. Atma is pure even for a Pramata who is very impure. That Pramata who is very impure, for that also Atma is pure. Drishtanta is given, Atrasteno asteno bhavati. That Atrastena is given as the Shruti. Stena means thief. A thief also, Drishtanta, you should understand in which context it is given. Actually, this Shruti, I will explain a little bit. This is in, so Ativa is 437. And then अत्रस्तेनो अस्तेनो भवति, भ्रूणः अभ्रूणः भवति. This is all 4 3 22. 4 3 22. So what is given there, that is what, to show it is Shuddha. Stena means a thief, but Atma is pure. Bhrunaha means the one who kills an infant, not even infant, a baby in the womb, but he is Abhrunaha. And Ananvagatam Punyena, Ananvagatam Papena, Tirno hi sada sarvan chokan hridayasya bhavati. Untouched by punya and untouched by papa. Ananvagatam punyena, ananvagatam papena. Tirno hi tada sarvan chokan. Hridayasya sarvan shokan tirno hi bhavati. He crosses all the griefs of the heart, means of the antakarana. Now, what is said here in this 4th chapter of Brihadaranyaka, in this 3rd section and 4th section, these two are connected sections. 4th chapter of Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. In Upanishad Krama, Chaturtha Adhyaya. Tritiya section, Tritiya Brahmana. What is the name of Tritiya Brahmana in Chaturtha Adhyaya?
Swayam Jyotir Brahmana.
Swayam Jyotir Brahmana. And Chaturtha Adhyaya, Chaturtha Brahmana, Shariraka Brahmana. Swayam Jyotir Brahmana and Shariraka Brahmana. They are connected. What is the purpose of this teaching in Brihadaranyaka? Atma is Chaitanya Swarupa and it is Asanga. And to show this, Swapna and Sushupti drashtantas are taken. Swapna is explaining, Swapna drashtanta is for Ihaloka Paraloka Gamanam. And Sushupti drashtanta is for Moksha. So just as in Swapna, I go from Jagrat world to Swapna world. Like that, from Ihaloka, I go to Paraloka. And whatever is of this world, I drop. I don't take anything from here. Just like when we go to Swapna, we don't take anything from here. In that context, Mahamatsya Drashtanta is given, that big fish. It crosses from one bank to the other, but untouched by both. Like that, we go through Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti, and we are untouched by all. This is one. And in Swayam Jyotihi itself, it is said, Atma is Dhyayati Iva, Lelayati Iva. As if there is Dhyanam. Dhyanam is actually where? In Buddhi. Buddhi and Atma has Anyanya Adhyasa. So Buddhyam Dhyayantyam Atma Dhyayati Iva. Buddhyam Chalantyam Atma Lelayati Iva. When Buddhi is steady, So I say, I am dhyanam. I am in deep meditation. What is there is actually of buddhi. And when there is vikshepa, lelayanam, or chalanam, then I say, I am vikshipta. I am disturbed. I means buddhi, but adhyasa is there. And this Atma is Sakshi of this Swayam Jyoti Swarupa. Then in Sushupti, Atma remains untouched by all, Asanga. So this quotation, Atra steno asteno bhavati ityadi. In Sushupti, a thief is not thief. Pita is not Pita, because he has to drop his Pitrutva idea. He drops, then only he'll go to sleep. So that is why the mantra says, Atra Pita Apita Bhavati, Mata Amata, Loka Aloka, Deva Adeva, Veda Aveda. Atra Steno Asteno Bhavati, Bhrunaha Abhrunaha. So in Shushupti, how I drop all my identities, so is moksha. As far as Atma is concerned, Atma is not Pita, Mata, Loka, Deva, Veda, Stena, Brunaha, anything. Or Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. No Varna ashramas are there. And Ananvagatam Punyana, Ananvagatam Papena means untouched by Punya and Papa. Now see the Tika. Shruta Viva Shabda Dhyan Chalanayor Abhasatvam Uchyate. Shrutau Iva Shabdat. Dhyayati Iva, Lelayati Iva. So Iva part is not given in the shloka. Here, 38th shloka doesn't say Iva. Dhyayati iti. Only that much is given. So Shrutau Iva Shabdat Dhyana Chalanayoho Abhasatvam. If I think there is dhyanam in Atma, chalanam in Atma, both are abhasa. Because they are actually in buddhi. Therefore, Atma is avikari. Ato avikaritvam siddham ityartha. Atra steno asteno bhavati bhrunaha abhrunaha iti. And ananvagatam punyena ananvagatam papena iti cha shrutehe. Shuddhatvam siddham ityartha. This is 4.3.22. So Atma is Shuddha because untouched by Punya Papa, and it does not become Stena, Brunaha, Chandala, Paulkasa, ityadi. So it is Shuddha. Nanu Sushupte Jnana Bhavat Jagrat Swapnayoscha Tad Bhavat Atmanah Katham Avikaritvam iti yatah. Somebody has a question. Sushupte Jnana Bhavat. In Sushupti there is no Jnana. And in Jagrat Swapna there is Jnanam. Jagrat Swapnayoscha Tad Bhavat Jnana Bhavat. Atmanah Katham Avikaritvam. How Atma is Avikari? Because there is sometimes Jnanam, there is no Jnanam. That itself is a Vikara. Iti ataha Shaktiyalopat Sushupte Jnas Tatha Bodhe Vikarataha Nyeyasyaiva Visheshastu Tatra Veti Shruter Vachaha Yatra Veti Shruter Vachaha Shaktiyalopat Sushupte Jnas Tatha Bodhe Vikarataha Nyeyasyaiva Visheshastu Yatra Veti Shruter Vachaha. शक्ति अलोपात सुषुप्ते ज्ञः आत्मा तथा बोधे अविकारतः. So atma you have to supply. आत्मा शक्ति अलोपात सुषुप्ते ज्ञः तथा बोधे अविकारतः ज्ञः. ज्ञेयस्यैव विशेषस्तु न तो आत्मनः. ज्ञेयस्यैव विशेष. भेद इज देयर ओनली इन ज्ञेय, इन जागृत स्वप्न सुषुप्ति. यत्र वा इति श्रुतेः वचः. बिकॉज देयर इज ए श्रुति यत्र वा अन्यदिव स्यात् तत्र अन्यो अन्यत् पश्येत्. अन्यो अन्यत् जिग्रेत, अन्यो अन्यत् रसयेत, अन्यो अन्यत् मन्वित, अन्यो अन्यत् विजानीयात्. यत्र तु अस्य सर्वम् आत्मा एवाभूत् तत् केन कं पश्येत् केन कं शृणुयात् इत्यादि. भगवान भाष्यकार एंड कमेंटेटर बोथ आर फुल इन बृहदारण्यक मोड. शक्ति अलोपात, शक्ति of Atma to illumine, there is no lopa, alopat, sushupte. Atma jnaha means knower, illuminator. तथा बोधे, बोधे means जागृत स्वप्न अवस्थायां, जागृत स्वप्नयोः अविकारतः. There also Shakti Lopa is not there, therefore it illumines everything, but remaining avikari. If the question was, there is jnana abhav in Sushupti, there is jnana in Jagrat Swapna, isn't there vikara? So it is said the difference is in jnaya vastu, not in Atma. Atma is same. External object has changed, that's all. So jnayasya eva visheshaha, na tu atmana. And in this, whatever Shruti is there, yatra va yadvai tanna pashyati, pashyan vai tanna pashyati is we have already seen 4.3.23 to 4.3.30. And yatra vanyadivasyad is 4.3.21. Yatra tu sarvam atma eva bhut tat kena kam pashyet is 4.5.15. All these are there in the tika, just note them. See tika. Sushupte api atma jna eva shakti alopat iti yojana. In Sushupti also Atma is Jnana Swarupa because there is no Shakti Lopa, Shakti Alopat. Next word is Yadvai Tan Na Pashyati, not Yadvaitam Na Pashyati. Yadvai Tan Na Pashyati. Actually, it is to be read in that way. Yadvai Tan Na Pashyati. So there, between Tam and Na, there is no space, but there is space between Yadvai and Tam. Tam should be separated. Yadvai tanna pashyati, pashyan vai tanna pashyati, ityadi shrutehe ityartha. What is the meaning of this shruti? It says in Sushupti, Atma does not see. Somebody says. Why? Because the nature of Jnanam is, I don't know. I did not see anything. I did not hear anything in Sushupti. So Atma na pashyati, na jigrati, na rasayet, etc. in Sushupti. So Siddhanti says, Yadvaitan na pashyati, what you say that it does not know is actually Pashyanvaitan na pashyati. Pashyanvaitan na pashyati, while seeing, it is not seeing. While hearing, it doesn't hear. Pashyanvaitan na pashyati. Pashyanvaitan na pashyati means it does not have the kriya, the act of seeing, but it still illumines everything. So somebody may think Atma is Nishkriya, but its ability to illumine doesn't go away. So Prakashanam is there and still it is Nishkriya, actionless. In Hindi, देखता हुआ नहीं देखता, but this देखता हुआ Pashyan apichana pashyati, not that way. How it is given in Bhaju Govindam or in Gita. Here, Pashyan tanna pashyati, it sees, but its seeing is in the form of illumination. So, Atma's knowledge is not like Pramata's knowledge. Pramata's jnanam has Vishesha jnanam. Atma's illumination is Samanya jnanam. There is no Vishesha. Like specific sound, specific rupa, etc., Atma will not know. That is the job of Buddhi only. Yadvai tanna pashyati, pashyanvai tanna pashyati, ityadi shrutehe ityartha. Tatha, bodhe bodhadashayam, jagrat swapnayoho iti yavat. Bodhe means in jagrat and swapna avastha. न्यः न्यो ज्ञान स्वरूप एव आत्मा निरवयवत्वेन अविकारतो विकार अनुपपत्तेर इत्यर्थः. ज्ञान स्वरूप एव आत्मा इज निरवयव, निरवयवत्वात् अविकारी, निरवयत्वेन अविकारतः. विकार अनुपपत्तेः, देयर इज नो विकार इन आत्मा. विकार नॉट इन आत्मा मीन्स आई एम अविकारी. Even though I see so many modifications, they are all in buddhi or sharira. Avasthatraye api nirvishesha chidrupasched atma kathan tarhi nagnasisham iti sushupti paramarsho bodhavasthayam cha katham janami iti anubhava iti ashankya. After sushupti paramarsho, you can put comma. Katha, if Atma is Nirvishesha Chaitanya Rupa in Avasthatraya, then Kathan Tarhi Na Agnyasisham iti Sushupti Paramarshaha. Then how there is Na Agnyasisham? I did not know. In Sushupti, when I wake up from Sushupti, I say Na Agnyasisham means I did not know. How do I say that? This must be lung roop, lung lakar. Iti. Sushupti Paramarshah. When I wake up, I recollect Sushupti. And also Bodhavasthayam cha katham janami iti anubhava. In waking, I say I know, and in Sushupti, I don't know. इति आशंक्य विषय उपरम अनुपरम उपाधि निबंधनम तदुभयम न स्वरूप निबंधनम. This is because of Vishaya Uparama in Sushupti, Anuparama in Jagrat Swapna. That is the Upadhi. Vishaya Uparama Upadhi Nibandhanam Yasya. Vishaya Uparama eva Upadhi. Upadhi Nibandhanam Mula Karanam Yasya Sushupti Paramarshasya. विषय अनुपरम उपाधि निबंधनम यस्य बोधावस्थायाम अनुभवस्य. So in one vishayas are not there, therefore you say I don't know. In the other vishayas are there, so you say I know. It is the difference in the vishaya. Tadubhayam Nibandhanam, na swarupa nibandhanam. It is not the cause of the bheda in Atma. Na swarupa nibandhanam. Tathaiva shrutya uktatvat ityaha. Nyasya iti. Nyasya eva visheshaha. Tu. Yatra va anyadiva syat. Tatra anyo anyat pashyat. So if there is bheda, yatra means where there is avidya. When there is avidya, then there is dvaitam. In Sushupti, avidya is there, but dvaitam is not there. Dvaitam is not there, so it doesn't see dvaitam. Yatra means avidya kale. Yatra avidya kale anyadiva syat. Tatra anyo anyat pashyat. And where everything has become one, like in Sushupti, yatra tu asya sarvam atma eva abhut, tat kena kam pashyet, tat kaha kena kam pashyet. In this way you should understand. Who will see what with what? Kaha means which pramata, kam prameyam, kena pramanena pashyet. So no vyavahar will be there in reality, in jnanam. That vyavahar is only apparent. Ityadika cha udaharanam. This is the example for this. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharya Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.